The altimeter was just unwinding and unwinding in front of my eyes like this. It was burning pretty briskly. You've got about 200 gallons of petrol in that tank.
I saw we weren't going to make it. We were approaching the ground about 6,000 feet a minute.
So I pushed the yoke forward, and nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing. Nothing.
If you think that I'm soft, chopper go boom, 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 like you have your shit on.
I hit the bailout button twice. That means to put on your parachute. I looked back through the airplane, they were all gone.
With no experience first parachute drop, you have to make the first one count. You know, you don't get a second run at those parachutes. I was blown through the side of the fuselage. The nose was blown off, and Bombardier's still in there. So he just bails out, and just as he gets out, boom, the airplane blows up.
I quite honestly don't remember pulling the ripcord, but I guess I did. And then it was just a question you can't help but wonder where you're going to land. And when it came to, my watch crystal had broken. The watch had stopped, and it was at 3:30 approximately. And so I'd been up in that tree for over 4 hours, trying to get down. I would see papieren. I was beat. I was just plain beat. I didn't fight. I didn't do anything. I just had to give in because I didn't have the strength to beat my way out of the proverbial paper bag. And that was it. And he said, "For you, the war is over," which is the immortal phrase that every POW has heard.
Robert Buckham is shot down on April 8, 1943. With other captured airmen, he's imprisoned in Stalag Luft 3, the Luftwaffe's supposedly perfect prison camp. The camp is best known as the location of the legendary Great Escape.
Choppergirl.